What? What? Hi, Suki. Hi. You used something very different today. What did you use today? What did you use today?
This is the sun. This leaf is the oxygen.
Oxygen. You use the leaves to make oxygen today. Oh, very interesting way to make your oxygen.
This is the head from my own well, and this is the body. This is the tail.
Oh, the tail.
This
right.
is the seaweed, and here is the water.
Water, I see. And your whale, you made your own special whale today, right? Your own kind. What is the kind of your whale?
Pink whale.
Pink whale. Is that why you have the pink here?
Yes.
I see. And this is the head. You use the leaves to make your head and the big tail. Wow, very interesting. And how come your oxygen is in little bits? Is there a specific reason?
Because have some is together, have some is just one.
Oh, some is just one, some is together, the oxygen. I see. And your seaweed is even pink too, huh? I see. Thanks.